Gaseous state. Gases gases expand indefinitely and fill up the whole vessel in which they are placed. Gases expand constantly indefinitely and fill up the vessel in which they are placed. They can be compressed by the application of pressure. They can be liquid by the cooling and applying the pressure. They process the law of resistance under ordinary conditions of temperature and pressure. D is equal to m by v. They intermix spontaneously, that is, so the property of diffusion. They export on the wall of vessel in which they are contained. Robert Boyle, 1662, he studied the variation of volume of a gas which change of pressure at constant temperature. Definition: at a constant temperature, the volume of a given mass of a gas inversely proportional to its pressure. Mathematically, V proportional to I by P. At constant, where the temperature V equal to volume of a gas of a temperature, V equal to K proportional हटिगला K by P, PV is equal to K, PV is equal to K, PV is equal to K, PV is equal to constant. Equation number 2. That is note, if at constant temperature V, as the volume of a gas pressure P1 and changing the volume pressure to P2, the volume changes to V2. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Charles law by gases law. Charles law कौन कहूँ pressure remaining constant at the volume of a given mass of a gas increase or decrease by 1 by 273 of its volume of 0 degree for every degree rise fall of temperature. Mathematically, V0 is equal to kana? V0 is equal to volume of a gas at 0 degree Celsius. Vt is equal to volume of a gas T degree Celsius. Then kana haba? देखमा Vt is equal to V0 plus V0 by 273 into T is equal to V0 1 plus T by 273 is equal to V0 273 plus 2